Welcome to our video on smart toilets. Discover how these high-tech marvels are revolutionizing bathroom experiences with features like heated seats, bidets, self-cleaning functions, and more. After testing and evaluating more than 25 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is Horo 4026 Kind, a state-of-the-art smart toilet that combines luxury, convenience, and advanced technology to enhance your bathroom experience. This sleek, modern toilet is designed to provide maximum comfort and hygiene with its array of innovative features. One of the standout features of the Kind is its integrated bidet functionality. The bidet offers adjustable water temperature, pressure, and spray position, ensuring a personalized and thorough cleansing experience. The toilet also includes a warm air dryer, which eliminates the need for toilet paper and enhances overall hygiene. Comfort is a key focus of the Horo. The heated seat ensures a cozy experience, especially during colder months. The seat temperature can be adjusted to suit individual preferences, providing a tailored level of comfort. Additionally, the toilet features a built-in deodorizer that helps to keep the bathroom smelling fresh. This model is equipped with a touchscreen remote control, allowing users to easily adjust settings and access various functions. The remote control is intuitive and user-friendly, making it simple to customize the toilet's features to meet personal needs. In terms of design, the Horo 4026 Kind boasts a sleek, compact profile that fits well in modern bathrooms. Its minimalist aesthetic is complemented by high-quality materials and a durable construction, ensuring long-lasting performance. Overall, Horo is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-tech, comfortable, and hygienic smart toilet. Its advanced features and user-friendly design make it a standout option in the market, providing a luxurious and convenient bathroom experience. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. The next one on our list is Vovo TCB Smart Bidet Toilet, a cutting-edge addition to any modern bathroom, combining advanced technology with sleek design. This integrated smart bidet toilet offers a range of features that enhance comfort, hygiene, and convenience. One of the standout features is the auto-open and close function. The toilet lid automatically opens when you approach and closes when you walk away, thanks to its built-in sensor. This touchless system not only adds a layer of convenience but also promotes hygiene by reducing the need for manual contact. The automatic flushing system is another highlight. It differentiates between a full flush and a partial flush based on the time the user has been seated, contributing to water conservation. The rimless tornado flushing method ensures thorough cleaning of the bowl, preventing water stains and maintaining hygiene. For nighttime use, the UV LED light subtly illuminates the inner bowl, making it easier to use without turning on bright lights. The UV light also has a disinfecting function, ensuring the bowl remains clean and germ-free. The 3-in-1 stainless steel nozzle offers posterior, feminine, and turbo wash functions, with 5 different levels of water pressure to suit individual preferences. This nozzle is designed for durability and hygiene, being easy to clean and maintain. In summary, the Vovo Smart Bidet Toilet is a luxurious and highly functional addition to any bathroom. Its combination of advanced features, user-friendly design, and focus on hygiene and comfort make it a top choice for those looking to upgrade their bathroom experience. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Our next pick is Duravit Senso Wash, shower toilet that combines sleek design with advanced technology to offer a luxurious bathroom experience. This innovative product is designed to provide utmost comfort, hygiene, and convenience, making it a standout choice for modern bathrooms. The Senso Wash features a minimalist and elegant design that seamlessly integrates into any bathroom decor. Its flat, subtle seat design enhances the overall aesthetic while ensuring user comfort. The toilet is made from durable ceramic, ensuring longevity and easy maintenance. The Senso Wash offers both rear and front wash functions. The water temperature, spray intensity, and spray wand position can be individually adjusted and saved, providing a personalized cleansing experience. The Comfort Wash feature moves the spray wand forwards and backwards for thorough cleaning. After using the wash functions, a gentle flow of warm air dries the user. The temperature of the warm air dryer can be adjusted via the remote control or app, ensuring a comfortable drying experience. The ergonomic seat is heated, and its temperature can be individually controlled. The energy-saving mode allows the seat heating to be activated only at specified times, conserving energy. An illuminated inner bowl provides orientation and safety in the dark without disrupting the body's repose. The Duravit Senso Wash is a perfect blend of design, technology, and comfort. Its advanced features and user-friendly controls make it an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade their bathroom experience. Whether it's the customizable wash functions, heated seat, or the convenience of app control, the Senso Wash I offers a modern wellness experience that is both hygienic and luxurious. Number 4 on our list is Horo Black Smart Toilet. Combining sleek design with advanced technology to enhance comfort and hygiene, this smart toilet stands out with its bold, contemporary look, making it a stylish centerpiece in any bathroom setting. The black finish of the Horo Smart Toilet adds a touch of sophistication and elegance, creating a striking contrast that complements various interior styles. Its compact, one-piece design ensures a seamless and easy-to-clean surface, contributing to both aesthetics and practicality. At the core of this smart toilet is its integrated bidet seat, which offers a superior cleaning experience compared to traditional toilets. The bidet features adjustable water pressure and temperature settings, allowing users to customize their cleansing experience. Additionally, the warm air dryer eliminates the need for toilet paper, enhancing hygiene and convenience. The Horo Smart Toilet is designed with user comfort in mind. It includes a heated seat with adjustable temperature settings, providing warmth during colder months. The soft closing lid prevents loud slams and reduces wear and tear, adding to the overall user experience. For those with mobility issues, the ergonomic design and hands-free operation via sensors or remote controls offer significant benefits. Made from durable ceramic material, the Horo Smart Toilet is built to last. Its elongated bowl provides added room and comfort, making it suitable for users of all sizes. In summary, the Horo Black Smart Toilet is a remarkable blend of style, comfort, and advanced technology. Its modern design, combined with intelligent features and enhanced hygiene, makes it a worthy addition to any contemporary bathroom. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. And the last one on our list is Woodbridge Smart Bidet Toilet. Advanced technology with sleek design. This intelligent toilet offers a range of features that enhance comfort, hygiene, and convenience. One of the standout features is the automatic open and close lid. As you approach the toilet, the lid opens hands-free, providing a touchless experience. This is complemented by the automatic flush system, which activates a powerful flush after use, ensuring cleanliness without manual intervention. Hygiene is a top priority with the Woodbridge Smart Bidet Toilet. It includes a self-cleaning bidet spray wand that offers posterior and feminine wash options. The water pressure is adjustable, and the bidet uses hygienic filtered water, ensuring a thorough and comfortable cleaning experience. Additionally, the toilet features auto-deodorization with a lightless catalyst that eliminates harmful air pollutants, keeping the bathroom environment fresh. Comfort is another key aspect of this smart toilet. The heated seat is designed to provide warmth during colder months, and the warm air dryer adds an extra layer of comfort by drying you off after using the bidet. The toilet also includes a night light, making it easy to navigate in the dark without turning on bright lights. Overall, the Woodbridge Smart Bidet Toilet is a highly functional and luxurious addition to any bathroom, offering advanced features that prioritize hygiene, comfort, and efficiency. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.